My name is Akanksha Gadwal. I am 21 years right now and I've been living in Pune for more than 10 years now. So basically, I'm a localite at this point. And when it comes to my education, I completed my undergraduation from Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. It's in SB Road. I did my bachelor's in commerce with HR specialization, human resource specialization. The course that I'm going for is master's in marketing and brand management, and the university I'm going for is the Oxford Brookes University in the UK. And the reason why I chose this course is because I've always been a marketing person. I didn't really have a lot of options in my mind. I'm that kind of person. If I have too many options now, I get very overwhelmed by it. I get like, oh my god, what should I choose? What should I not? So I cut down to just two places. Either it's gonna be the UK or it's gonna be Germany. That's for sure. Anywhere in UK, anywhere in Germany, I'm fine. But Germany, when it came to Germany, as I spoke to the person from Study Smart, she very like in the first half of the conversation, she very upfrontly said it to me that Germany is not going to work out for you because a, you don't have an experience. A lot of people in Germany go there after experience, especially the kind of course I want to do. So that requires a lot of experience. A, B, you need to learn the language. For that, I'll have to wait for an entire year to learn German and get fluent in it. If not fluent, at least know the basics and everything so that I can put up with the conversation at least. And see, the kind of opportunities I'll have after doing the course that I want to do, it's very limited. So on the contrary, UK had a lot more easier process. The language, obviously English, we are comfortable in, and there are a lot of opportunities right now in the course that I want to do there. So when I graduate, I already will have a lot of opportunities right in front of me.